All right. We're ready to pull housing, buddy. Ooh, a little gentle. A little gentle tap with the bang bang. There you go. Boom. Those are ready for a bath. Look at that, though. Those turned out in amazingly good shape for their age. We'll get it off in a minute. But they're very nice. Focus. All right, so the housing's going to come completely out. Give us a little chance to clean things, just a hair. Friends, are you beating off?
What?
What?
What? In your butt?
No.
Not what Scotty told me about you guys.
Hey. $20 is $20, homie.
What?
$20 is $20, homie. Oh. Yeah. Give these a little bath. Chase the threads, make sure they're okay. Ow. Little wire wheel action. These are going to be spectacular.
Maybe a little...
Little spritzy cleanup?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right. I guess we can pull housing. Oh, yeah, definitely. Cool. All right, Bernsey. Looking good. Hey, look. Bernsey. Did you just pull out Tom's rear end?
Sure.
Nice.
I don't even know who Tom is.
Yeah, Tom's cool. We love Tom. Anyway, it's always fun, but it's here. All right, so we got to get the rubbers out, get things cleaned up the rest of the way, the mating surface done, but it's ready. One shock out, other shock almost out. This shackle, the nuts are off. I'm going to go do the nuts on the other shackle. Then we'll be able to drop springs down and have fun fighting that crap off the front, because those are never fun.
That's what she said.
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Cranking, Mr. Burns, cranking. Too tight of an area.
These actually weren't that bad.
No. I think the shock's been replaced at some point. At least.
At least once.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Hang on a minute. Sorry. I'll hold it from this side. Ugh. A lot of time on my knees today. I feel like your mom. Alright. How's that? Wow, smoking hot!
Where's the nut?
Because I lubed it up. Is it still in there? Or to fall in the hole?
Oh, no, it's like right on the edge. Come here, little fucker.
Nice. Bump. Bump.
Womp womp. What the hell? Ah, that's hot! That was like a delayed reaction.
Well, you just unstuck something that was on there since 1964.
That's not that old. Don't talk about Scotty like that.
You just added 5 years to his life, dude. He's gonna beat you.
What is going on?
If I only knew.
Go ahead and turn.
You need to just Uggy the Dougie a little more.
I think so too.
I heard something fall.
Yeah.
Probably in the hole now.
No, it's like right there, dude.
Well, you gotta take a punch and beat it out anyway, so.
Well,
You wanna go do the other side? Oh, that started to move. There it goes. Look at this side's coming out now. This actually might come apart easy for once. Usually these never come apart easy. Hang on, I'll come over there. I'm coming.
hey, who sings that?
I don't know.
Ready?
I sing it when Look at that. That one came out nicely.
Hey, look at that.
Usually they don't come apart this easy. But that's because I lubed the piss out of it before we went to take it out, too.
Keep going.
I lubed her up real good. Look at that. It's ready. Like, seriously,
Is it coming out?
you're gonna need to give it a little bang bang with a punch on the backside.
You bang bang.
It'll come right out.
Ding ding ding.
It'll come out. And the other one, I think,
Can you give me a punch and a hammer, please?
I'll punch you. Okay. Here, a little bang bang. Little bang bang. Little bang bang. Little bang bang. Tappa tappa banga banga.
Come on, get on that.
Grab one of your pry bars real quick. Because we can probably go right there and just gently walk that out with the big washer. Washer.
Worcestershire sauce? Wash your ass sauce?
Wash your ass sauce.
Never heard of that?
Oh, go ahead. No. Pry bar, easy enough, huh? So the other one, the nut is still on it. I can see it.
Yeah, I know.
That's
But
weird.
It's just sitting there spinning.
Great. We could always pull a bolt out and cut it if we have to.
Let's hope not.
Nope. Ooh, you gonna bang bang? There you go. Work it, girl. There you go. It'll come right out now.
Ready? Watch. Grab your tool.
Fingers and toes.
Fuck them hoes.
Wow. Well, you know, that's another way to put
Ready?
it, I guess. Go. Strike one! Tom did it.
That's why I told you bring your tool.
Well, that's out. Problem solved. Right to the scrap pile with that bitch.
Here's the other best part.
Bye-bye, Big King. Done. All right, this side's ready. Just a little cleanup on aisle 5. Then we'll lube it up before we stick it in.
Let me get water real quick.
You like to lube it up before you stick it in, don't you?